Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to reverse video in your CapCut. To add this feature in your video, first of all, open your CapCut and then select a video in which you want to add reverse video function. Once you add your video, at the button you will see a lot of options. Among them, choose edit option and then scroll to the last. You will see an option of reverse. Simply select that and now you can see the video will get reversed. So in this very easy step, you can easily reverse any video you want in your CapCut. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.